Amazon. Idiots. And if they hit me, I would have beat the shit out of them. That's Staley Elementary. It's a good sized school. River. Little muddy today. That's the Revere. Well, the backside of Revere. The power plant for Revere. This is Culverton Road. Culverton. And they just recently blacktopped all this. It took them a long time, but they got it done. What I like that the city did is they put a guardrail up. And that's a good thing, because some of these cars that fly along here, yeah. I've actually seen a couple cars jump over the curb. Especially on a night like tonight will be. And then they just keep on going, drunk as hell. Mohawk River in there. They cut down all these trees. It's a waste of firewood. I don't know what they're going to do. They should sell all that to a firewood company. I mean, just a waste to let it sit and rot. Really is a waste. Guess the city of Rome just doesn't know how to make money anymore. Other than increase taxes. Mohawk River Trail, you can see that on some of my other videos if you go to my channel. So we're not going to go through it. It's about 84, 85 degrees out. It's funny how people slow down on the roads when they notice that you have a camera. It's like, oh shit. Guy with a camera. That's Revere in there. I'm not sure, but I believe that building used to be a school. Something like that. Mayberry and Culverton. I'm getting through that one. One thing Rome has is more little streets. Little one-way streets. And we'll go through Revere. What's really sad is that, I mean, here we go. The Revere logo way over there used to be all lit up at night. Be nice if the city of Rome, New York gave Revere a little bit of money to get it lit back up. I mean, I don't know why they don't bother lighting it up. I mean, it's a landmark sign for Rome. and it hasn't been lit up in, I don't know, fucking years, and it's really sad. But this is the rear end of Revere. This is where all the workers park. Oh, we'll take a little ride. Sorry for the wind. Even if the wind was still, the camera would still record the wind because I'm moving. These buildings are, if anybody knows, leave me a message. I gotta do the research. There's no signs anymore. Almost looks like a prison facility. An old prison facility. That's what it looks like. Can't really tell. And this is going to be a really long video. Sorry about that. It's not like I have a freaking car. And even if I did have a car, I wouldn't know how to drive it because, well, going anything above 40 miles an hour knows, like, really freaking scary to me. Of it. Seems to me I read one time where it said that this place used to be like a youth facility. I don't need juvenile delinquents at one time. Second floor, Hunter and Associates. Now it's trucking. That's pretty cool looking. But I think it used to be a prison. We'll go through Revere here. Sorry for the sun. But it is kind of a historic building. And this is another building that the state should put some money into. Make like a Revere Copper museum. I mean, that would be nice. These are things that Rome just doesn't consider. This is the Revere Boston Bell. In commemoration of the 200th anniversary of the founding of the first copper rolling mill in the United States by Paul Revere in 1801, we dedicate this Paul Revere cast bell to honor the employees who not only helped build Revere Copper Products Incorporated, but also an important American industry. September 16th, 2001. Hey, Governor Pataki, best governor New York ever had. Have a museum here. It's kind of like a and that's the bell, and you can find that in the Revere parking lot. And you can find that in the back of the parking lot. It's just got a little history of Rome. Pretty cool. So I was wrong there. There is like a little building here. Doesn't say when they're open, but probably on the weekdays, maybe the weekend, Saturday, but you can also find this in the entrance to Revere. And it's the same entrance that the employees use. It's all the way in the back, right near the bell. But they really need to get the horse working again. Oh, I heard that. Look at that sun. I swear to God, it's getting bigger. I'm not too sure what that is, but I think it's a big tank of nitrogen. Most likely they use it to for their evaporation machine. Revere doesn't pump out any dirty materials that I know of. It's all evaporated. So environmental wackos can think what they want. But it's pretty cool looking. Never been back here on Revere. One day I'll come back and check out their visitor center. I didn't think they had one, but they do. But Rome should invest some money into it, dress it up a little.